Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to say in advance, I do apologize if you can hear my dishwasher. My husband started it when he was on his lunch break, and yeah, I couldn't not film this video today because I was so obsessed with the way that this look turned out. So yeah, sorry if you hear the dishwasher in the background. Everything is going to reflect off of this palette, but it is the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 palette. And yeah, I got this as a gift for my friend Madeline, and I am so obsessed with it. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and again, I am just so obsessed. It is so freaking pretty. Thank you so much, Madeline. I will forever treasure this palette. She had actually told me to use a black base underneath the shadow that I used today, and I finally got to try it, and I love it. I think it is so pretty. I'm obsessed, so thank you for that tip. I think it turned out really great. On my lips, I'm also using the lipstick that she had sent me. It's the NYX Siren, just their matte lipstick, but I like to top it with a gloss. I've been obsessed with this lipstick for the past couple days. I did break one of my nails. I need to fix it. I'm trying to like hide it. But I have been obsessed with this lipstick the past couple days. I think this is like the third time in a row I've used it while doing my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in. My daughter is trying to play with a puzzle, so she's making a little bit of noise and I'm trying to like talk around it. So I'm just gonna jump in this video so that she can play. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Do you have this palette? Do you think you're gonna pick up this palette? I'm pretty sure that there are other shadows you can use to recreate something like this. I just thought it was so stinking pretty. I'm so happy that I got the tip to use a black base underneath this. Cause yeah, it really like changed the game for this shadow for me. The dishwasher is starting to get pretty loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Madeline, forever grateful to you for sending me these products because they are so perfect and beautiful. I love them so much. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting throughout the week. This weekend I actually have my first cook with me video coming out, so stay tuned for that. I think I'm doing some chicken noodle soup and like a pineapple crisp for dessert. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.